Mr. Mngube, accused number 3 says, in January 3rd, are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
In January 2013, he got arrested.
January 2013.
Okay.
Uthi-ke umnumzana uNcube waboshwa-ke ngoJanuary 2013
And he was released on the 17th of 1709. What is the 9th month? September. Yes, on the 17th of September 2014.
wase ededelwa-ke ngeyi-17 of September 2014.
Are you able to follow?
Yes.
And he was incarcerated at Boksburg. Boksburg prison or Boksburg, yeah, I think it's around Boksburg.
I hear you.
Thank you.
Wayegcinwe noma-ke evalelwe-ke ejele lase-Boksburg.
Now, that simply means that when you are saying that this photo was taken on the 2nd of October, 2nd of September 2014, that is incorrect because at that time he was in custody.
I hear you.
Okusho ukuthi-ke lokho kushoyo-ke wena ukuthi isithombe lesi sathwetshulwa ngeyi-2 zikaSeptember 2014 akulona iqiniso ngoba-ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi.
But importantly, this photo is not a selfie as you're trying to make it sound or as you're trying to make it look. It's a photo that his friend took through his photo. In other words, his friend used his photo.
His photo, phone.
I'm sorry, his phone. Let us assume his friend was Frank.
Mm-hmm.
Frank used his own photo and took this picture and then later on sent it to accused number 3's phone.
Uthi-ke isithombe lesi sathwetshulwa-ke umngane wakhe sesisetshenziswa asithi nje leyo mngane hayi ukuthi kuyiphi kanjalo asithi leyo mngane loyo-ke uFrank uyena-ke uFrank owasebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini wakhe wathobela isithombe lesi wasesithumela kuyena-ke umsolo wesithathu.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Thank you. No, thank you. Actually, when I say friend, there must be a prefix there. It's a girlfriend.
Oh, okay. I
He
hear
was shot by his girlfriend.
I'm not
Asibonise-ke
denying.
lokho ukuthi-ke usisi-ke athandana naye noma ayethandana naye.
So this is way much against what you are saying, that according to the information that you have, and we'll come to that information, that this photo was taken on the 2nd of September 2014.
Lokho-ke kuyaphikisana-ke naloko kushoyo wena ukuthi-ke isithombe lesi sangeyi-2 zikaSeptember 2014.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Any comment, except to say you hear me?
Okay. The comment on that aspect will be the information that is here was downloaded like this and gives these dates.
Engakusho, sorry.
That what is saying, I'm not against it, but I'm relying on what I get from the downloaded information.
Thank you.
Imininingwane-ke ngale ndlela-ke engangayo la noma-ke ebhalwe ngayo-ke indlela-ke engayithola ngayo angiphikisane-ke nalokho akushoyo-ke kodwa-ke information mina-ke ngayithola-ke noma-ke umdownloader yaphuma kanjena.
Now, if needs be, Mr. Mngube says he will go to extraordinary heights and depths to submit documents to this court to show that on the day on which you are saying that this photo was taken, he was in custody.
I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa-ke kumele uthi-ke umnumzane uNcube uthi-ke angenza noma yini-ke ukutshengisa-ke kwenkantolo-ke noma-ke eze-ke namaphepha-ke akhombisayo-ke ukuthi-ke ngaleli langa leli yena-ke wayesejele.
And that's a promise that you are going to keep. No, I say we. It's a promise that Mr. Mngube and me as his defense that you are going to keep.
Okay, I hear you.
Ngiyakuzwa-ke
Thank you.
uma uthi-ke isithembiso leso enizothi-ke nisenze noma nisigcine-ke wena naye umnumzane uNcube.
Thank you. Any comments?
Pertaining to the picture.
No, pertaining to what I've just put to you now.
No comment.
Akukho
you.
engakusho kulokho.
And I heard you saying that you basically don't dispute what Mr. Mngube is putting to you through me. All that you can say is this is what you got. The information that you put on record that this picture was taken on the 2nd of September 2014 is information that you got from his downloads.
Yes, that's correct. And you can manipulate or do anything on it.
Thank
As
you.
it is, that's correct.
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ke imininingwane ngokwendlela engayithola ngayo ke akukho ongakwenza kule mininingwane noma ngokwendlela ke oyithola ngayo.
Thank you. Now, as we go on that metadata again, on that metadata, we see here that there was a modification that was done on that photo on the 16th of July 2014, not so? At 2100 hours,
Yes, that
21 minutes.
2014 0716 21 That's correct.
Yes, lana ke kulesi sithombe noma ke uma usibuka ke yabona ukuthi kukhona ke okwenziwa ke kusona nge-16 zika July 2014 isikhathi ke u21:21.
Thank you. What is modification, sir?
Modification happens whenever you switch on the phone, disconnect whatever, a memory card or a battery, and then put it back. Once you switch it on again, most of the things modifies themselves, gives you a date.
Okwenzekayo ke lana uma sikhuluma ke ngayo noma ngaligama leli modification ukuthi uma kuukuthi ukhipha memory card sim card memory card ne
Memory card.
memory card noma mhlambe ke ukhiphe yona ke ibhetri ubese futhi uyadlulisela ke ezinye izinto ke zibe sezenzeka noma sezenzeka ke ngalendlela ke noma kuloko kubizwa ngokuthi ke i modification ziyazenzekela zona ke uma uyibuyisela ibhetri.
Is this modification not in respect of the picture that you're talking about?
Picture we are talking about, yes.
Yebo sikhuluma ke ngesithombe.
I'm saying to you, Sergeant Mabaso, Warrant Officer Mabaso, this modification that we're talking about here, which you have mentioned in your papers there, it's a modification as it affects, as it has got to do with the picture that you worked on, not so?
Yeah, I said yes.
Engishoyo ukuthi lokho qeda ukusho ke manje kumayela nesithombe lesi esikhuluma ngaso noma wethula ubufakazi bakho ngaso yebo ngiqeda ukusho manje.
Thank you. Now, listen to me. The question won't come from those papers. It's got to come from me.
No, I'm refreshing my mind.
Oh, you're refreshing your memory.
Yeah.
No, you can take time.
No, it's fine. Let's continue.
Oh, okay, no, thank you. Because I don't want to be perceived as somebody that is not fair to you. Do you understand?
Oh, you're monitoring every movement I'm doing. Yo.
What are you saying?
You are monitoring every movement I'm making.
You're saying I'm monitoring every movement that you're making?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no, thank you.
Whatever I touch something, you can notice. Whatever I do, you notice. That's good.
Thank you. What else did you observe?
No, only that for now.
Oh, okay, no, thank
Which
you,
I'll
sir.
say further.
Thank you, sir. Now, the picture gets taken, and we're talking about a picture here, not so?
Yes.
According to you. The picture gets taken on the 2nd of October 2014, and it gets modified on the 16th of July 2014. Do you understand?
Yes.
Lana ke sikhuluma ngesithombe ukuthi ke sona ke sithotshuka nge-2 zika September 2014 bese kuthi nge-16 zika July 2014 ila khona ke kwenzeka lokho sikubiza ngokuthi ke ukumodify khona yebo.
You know, Warrant Officer Mabasa, I'm something. I do understand a lot of things, but there are certain things that I need to be very honest, that sometimes I need to get clarification on before I can say that I do understand them. Ne? Tell me, how do you modify something before it actually comes into existence or into being?
It's how we got it from the information. Remember, we did not modify ourselves. The information came as it is.
Manje ke kwenzeka kanjani ke ukuthi wenzeke khona lokho kubhaliwe ke khona lana ukuthi ke into ke yenziwe ke noma ke imodifywe ke kodwa lokho akukabi khona ke ukhumbuleke ukuthi ayisithina ke esakwenza lokho imininingwane sayithola ke ingalendlela ebhalwe ngayo la.